Hey guys, I am out in the garage fixing to paint this turquoise cabinet. You'll have to forgive the hairdo. I've got it all on top of my head so I could work on this, but I'm going to show you what it looks like before, and then I'm going to set the camera up so you can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to paint it white, and then we're going to do a glaze, which I've never done before. I've always used a stain to do my distressing, so we're going to try something new, so we'll see how it works. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I'm going to show you what it looks like before I ever start, and then we're going to start painting it white. Okay, so if you remember, this is what it looked like before. Oh, my husband's mowing, so you're going to hear the lawnmower. This is the turquoise cabinet. We're fixing to do it white and distress it for the farmhouse look. I think I'm just going to leave these buttons on here, just paint right over them, and then I think I'll take some sandpaper and get some of it back off, but I think it will look better with those on there. So I'm going to set the camera up and then we're going to get started. Okay, the first coat is on. I was hoping I could get away with one coat, but I still see the turquoise shining through there. It looks pretty good. I think the next coat will go pretty quick. I didn't do the back. There's no point. Just left it the way it is. Excuse the mess out here in the garage. You see, some of it's got darker and lighter and you kind of see through it. So the next coat will go good. I could probably go ahead and start because it's not a real thick coat. I'm pretty happy with it. So far it looks pretty good. It coated pretty good. What I expected. So I'm going to move on to the second coat. Okay, the second coat is on. Okay, now I'm practicing with this glaze. I'm going to show you what it is. It's the Valspar glaze. It's the darker one. And I painted with a Valspar flat interior. See it? I got them both at Lowe's. I tried to put that glaze on. It was just kind of making it gray. So now I'm going to go back to this. I'm going to sand all these edges, kind of give it more of the farmhouse look. And then I'm going to do, that's got the glaze already on it. So I'm going to set the camera up so you can see a little bit how I do the sanding. Notice I sanded all the buttons where it kind of brought that back through. So let me set the camera back up and I'll show you some of the sanding. I'm just going to take some 180 grit. You can see it. 180. Now I'm just going to take a wet rag and wipe my hands off. Now I'm just going to take some of this wet rag, and I'm wiping some of that stain off because I want the stain to be down in the cracks, but I don't want it to look gray. So I'm just going to kind of wipe some of it off, just like that. I don't want it to look dirty. Just kind of play with it. Okay, I got it all sanded. If you do a hand sander, it takes a lot less time. That's what it looks like. And now I need to do some more staining, just a little bit. But just rough it up, make it look old. I want to wipe it down with a damp cloth real quick to get all that dust off of it. I kind of like the turquoise shining through in places though. It looks kind of cool. See how it looks? That part right there has already got the stain on it. Now just to stain it and it'll be ready to go in the office. Well, I'm done for tonight, and this is the finished product for the top shelf. You see the difference between the second, how wide it is, and then with the glaze on it, gives it more of the antique look. It's getting too dark out here and I can't see for tonight. You can tell in the video. You see the difference between the side, how wide it is, and then the antique look. I know the color is really thrown off in this picture, I can tell. But I'm calling it a night. It's almost 7:30 now. But that's how it looks. I'm happy with it. Hey guys, this is day 2 of me trying to get this cabinet finished. If I All right, it's done. Turned out pretty good. We're fixing to take it in and set it in its place. Looks pretty good. I like it. Okay guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope you got something from it. I have put it in my office now, as you can see. I don't want to show you the rest of it because I want to leave you in suspense until Monday. But I will reveal the office Monday and show you what I've done and which way I went, if I used cows or if I didn't use cows, if I did farmhouse or what it is. I'm just gonna wait until Monday and I'm gonna show you what I did. I think it turned out great. I love it. There's only a couple of things I'm still waiting to get. I need to get a carpet or a rug for right here under the desk, and then I want to get some kind of curtains to put over this window right here. But it's all turned out great. I hope you got something from that video. I hope you learned a little something, but that glaze, I'm still learning. I read afterwards, of course, that you're supposed to do the satin finish instead of a flat, and I did the flat. But it probably keeps it from soaking in so much. But I think it turned out pretty good. I like it. I didn't have to put a sealer on it or anything, so I think it turned out pretty good. But until Monday, y'all have a good weekend, and I hope everything is good for you. No. Y'all have a good weekend. Bye-bye.